Kirito Yagi, Mackler, Rafa, Jojo, Shaman. All right, 23 minutes until CME open. How we doing? Johnny Kingslow, what's going on? Briggsy, what's going on? I think it'll open like right around here. This is going to be interesting too. Moses, Alex, what's going on? RPM says, are you just starting? Yep. Yep. You can always see the official start time on the YouTube stream. Chab, let's go. How we doing? Grumpix, let's go. Paul, Cappy, V, RPM, Kirito Yagi, Skemenzo. Let's get nasty on him, boy. Let me just open this. Oops, there we go. All right, quick little thang, quick little short stream. I gotta go to dinner with the parents. Bladar, what's going on? Chab, you good? Whatever 98764 says, hey Kimba, how you been? I haven't been here in a while. Work stuff. I want to ask you about your sentiment on all 3 time frames. I would just get caught up on the highlights. Whatever 98764. Yeah, exclamation YouTube. Worst case, if you don't have that much time, just watch yesterday's highlights. So you can at least understand what we're doing right now. All right. But yeah, if you really want to know, just watch the highlights. If you don't really care, you don't have to watch the highlights. Sounds good? Let me know if you have any questions after watching it. All right, whatever. Just because like we've been talking about it for 8-9 hours a day, every day. So I think I would be fucking you over if I tried to take everything that we've been talking about and condense it into like 2-3 sentences. So what I would do if I were you, whatever, is just pay attention to the levels to the upside, pay attention to the levels to the downside. If you know how to read data, it's going to be easy to short and long when it goes to those levels. All right. Yeah, the good news is anytime you miss anything, it's all in the YouTube. Just get caught up. All right, big dog. And CME resumption in 20 minutes. So as long as you know how to play CME gap, you should be ready to go for at least right now or today. And then CME resumption of RTH tomorrow. Le Big, any questions, Le Big? Everybody juicing. Everybody better be juicing. His pick's so perfect now. Chaloob, thank you for the resub. Clever Economist says, I caught this short scalp watching a CVD and RSI divergence. Thank you, Kimba. Let's go. Easy money, Bugatti money, Clever Economist. Let's get it, Big Dog. Kalechi, let's go. Jedi's Kirk, let's go. Bobby, let's go. Vladimir, let's go. Mad Lettuce, let's go. Modern Sword, let's go. Jay, what's going on? Roscoe, let's go. My pleasure, Lebig. Maybe Band-Aid, let's go. Chalub, let's go. Cytilix, CME open in 18 minutes, ladies and gentlemen. Vlad, how you doing? Let's get it. We got 18 minutes left, man. What should we do? Should we let us up a little bit? Easy money, Bugatti money. Rizwan, what's going on? Bladar, what's going on? RPM, happy Sunday, everybody. Choo! Choo! Let's get juicy with it, y'all. Phone calls tomorrow scheduled, huh? How do we do? Zine, what's going on? Giovan, what's going on? Dilophosaurus says, I believe teaching folks on how to mark out levels with upside and downside for newcomers would be incredible. Yep, that's why we do it, Dilophosaurus. All you got to do is just pay attention. I always say this. You probably know how to find levels after 2-3 weeks of watching me. So that's why we do it. And on the flip side, if you don't know how to find levels within the first 3-4 weeks, you got to slap yourself in the face and wake the fuck up. It's usually like, if you, I think I forget what Nerd said, but I think the statistic is 88% chance that you're going to be a really bad trader if you don't figure out how to do the levels within the first 4 weeks. Yeah, that's usually the competitive sort of like line, right? The really, really successful people, they usually figure it out within 4 weeks. If you go beyond 4 weeks, you're basically on the losing team. Yeah, so every lion cub, they should try to master identifying levels within the first 3-4 weeks. That's why we stress this so hard. Yeah. But I would say most people, they have it, because I say it every day so many times. It's just a matter of, okay, like how long does it take you to learn volume profile? How long does it take you to, have anchored VWAP? How long does it take you to pull fibs? How long does it take you to do TPO? Yeah. But totally agree with you, Dilophosaurus. That's why we do it. And that's why all the lion cubs here are so good. Let's get nasty on them. Too easy. How y'all doing, man? Happy Sunday. 15 minutes. Coke Zero, let's go. It's easy money, Bugatti money. Coke Zero, it's easy money, Bugatti money. All right, any questions? Pixel, you know what I mean? Pixel perfect. Can't lose. Too easy. Weather is so nice today. Yeah. Maxi Trader, what's going on? Sozo, what's going on? Hedge Fund, what's going on? Yo, Gucci. Easy money, Bugatti money. Oh, man, this guy. What did he say? All right, everybody juicing? Any questions? 11 minutes. This has got to be the funniest thing I've seen today, dude. Exo Lions is crazy good previous week. Let's go, Exo Lion. The juice don't stop. The juice don't stop. Minio says, show me. It's just a freshman linebacker arriving for college. He has a really funny last name. Zine is asking, when S&P crash, When you start to get bullish. Bladar says, I am waiting for a nuke. Gotcha. So it's going to pump. Populous. Freestyle. Minio. No, his last name is... Kacha! The announcers were having a hard time saying his name. An amazing catch by Noah. Damn. That's an amazing tackle by number 38, Noah blank. Kachoy schwiggity schwiggity. Danny Bullard in the building. Quit playing with him, Danny. It's gotta be Testnet, aka Danny Bellagio. Sherry says, Kimba, how would you take the trade today? A swing fail? I would just taking it by the book. Sherry? Yeah, do you know what the book says? How you're supposed to play that? I do everything by the book. Sherry. Let me know if you have any questions, Sherry. But make sure, I want you to go Google swing fail patterns so you at least know basic strategy, okay? And just try that. You don't have to overcomplicate it. You know, people have been taking swing fail patterns for hundreds of years, Sherry. So just do basic strategy. All right? And then after you do it a couple thousand times, you're going to be able to start customizing and hybridizing it on your own. All right? But start with basic strategy, Sherry. Let's build a foundation. Pedro, let's go. Moses, let's go. Rafa says, I'm in no longs, Pico top short, but damn, I still hate I missed that 98 long completely pussy-footed. The only thing that you have to worry about, Rafa, is you have a self-honest, self-aware reason why you pussy-footed 98. And how can you make sure you don't do that again? That's it. You don't find out if you're a good trader or a bad trader if you miss a trade. You find out if you're a good trader or a bad trader on the next attempt. Did you get better? Or did you completely fuck up the opportunity to get better and you did the same thing again? That's the thing. You miss a trade the first 2, 3, 4 times, it's on the house. The 5th, 6th, 7th time, you're going to have to wear a dunce cap. Because you got to be retarded. Right? So we don't really know if you're a good trader or a bad trader yet. The next opportunity that you have a long, do you pussyfoot or do you not? That's when we find out you're actually improving, you're actually getting better. And that's when you can prove to yourself you're getting better. You can't decide if you're improving the moment you make the mistake. You decide if you're improving on the next time you don't make that mistake. So all you have to do is take your focus, attention, energy, and devote it to making sure that you don't make the same mistake. That's it. And the only person that will really, truly know the real, honest reason why you pussyfooted is you. I don't know what it is. I don't know if you weren't prepared. I don't know if you got emotional. I don't know if you really don't know what you're doing. So your subconscious said, fuck it, I don't want to take this. Yeah, I don't know if you didn't have a plan B, C, and D, and you only had plan A. So, yep. I mean, it's a blessing, to be honest, Rafa. You have an opportunity to learn as much as you can and figure out all the mistakes you made. And even though you may have missed that long, if you can actually seize upon that opportunity to get better, even though you might have missed out on $5,000 or $10,000, the opportunity to improve and learn is priceless. You don't know how much money you're going to save and how much money you're going to make because of the improvements that you're going to make. All right, big dog. So I wouldn't really worry about it too much. I would be tripping if you keep making the same mistake over and over. But the first couple is on the house. I wouldn't really worry too much. All right? Just get better. Do better. Rafa says, I pussy out because I've been growing my account, was afraid I'd get back in my old ways. But I don't know what that means. So you made a decision, so you weren't looking at the data at all. So actually, you may have just gotten back to your old ways. You made a decision emotionally. Is that what you're telling me? You couldn't be objective and prepare and execute? Yeah, just because you pussyfooting could still be a repetition of your old behavior, right? Making decisions emotionally. So if you're not going to take a trade, the only reason you're not taking a trade is because you don't have enough edge or reason to. The only reason you're taking a trade is because you have reason to. That's it. Okay? Sherry says, I mean, if you go to 5 minute, how would you see? Are you sure you know what swing fail is, Sherry? I just feel like you haven't even looked at what the basic strategy is, Sherry. And if you can't put in basic effort, I think it's going to hurt. I don't know what you don't understand. What does basic strategy say? Basic strategy doesn't say you go to 5 minute. So what I would really recommend to you, Sherry, is that you go and Google swing fail pattern. You go to YouTube, swing fail pattern. You write down and take notes on what basic strategy is. What does the book say on how you're supposed to take a swing fail pattern? And what I want you to do is spend the next 4 weeks doing it by the book. All right. I want you to get some sample size. And then I want you to be able to say, okay, I did 100 swing fail patterns in the last 5 weeks. Okay. 60% went this way, 30% went this way, 10% went this way. And then I want you to start analyzing how you can change it for yourself. All right? That's what you're supposed to do. If you can't do that, you can't play this game. You're going to get beat by people that can do it. If you're too lazy to do it, if you're too impatient, if you don't respect the math to understand that 100 sample sizes is tiny. You know, most people, they've seen thousands of sample sizes, whether it's a fib rotation or a divergence play out. All right. There's a reason why most behavioral psychologists say that you need 10,000 hours to get good. So you need some sample size, Sherry. All right. So very, very simple. Go Google, go to YouTube, make sure you know what the basic strategy is. Then I want you to do that hundreds of times. Alrighty. But swing fail pattern is just this. You identify where it's going to get swept. That's your entry. However high it goes, that's your invalidation. Okay? That's it. If you have a failed auction, it's still going to be, that's your invalidation. It doesn't matter if it's a 30-minute or a 1 hour. The sweep level is your entry, and that's your stop loss if you wanted to play it. And then you would have to be able to articulate open interest edge, divergence, etc. All right. Copy trading, what's going on? CME is back. Let's go. CME is juicy. There's your gap. Le Big says, why we don't see one candle in short on Bybit Nest short? I don't know what that means. But are you sure, Le Big, that you went to Exo and read their tutorials and their documentation? You want to make sure that you go and read the Exo tutorials within your first 5 weeks. Okay? Hasta la vista says, hello, Kimba. How was your weekend? Weekend is fantastic. I got a lot of work done. I wish I slept a little bit more, but yeah, like today I woke up at 6:30 in the morning, like frantically thinking, oh my God, I missed a meeting or I missed a phone call. But how was your guys' weekend? Wabi Sabi says, I just joined. Did I miss the juice? I mean, assume you always did. And just rewind and get caught up, Wabi Sabi. I want you to feel the competitiveness, Wabi Sabi. You know, instead of, there's 3 types of people, but you don't want to be the guy that says, did I miss the juice? Because you're always second or third place, right, Wabi Sabi? Think about it. Who wins in the life of competition? The guy that comes in late and just immediately rewinds and gets caught up, or the guy like you that says, "Did I miss anything?" You know, so I don't think you missed anything, but I want you to have a much more competitive mindset. You know what I mean? And yes, and especially Wabi Sabi, what you're going to find out is most people that lose, that become forever losing traders, they never have that competitiveness. They're always trying to do the bare minimum. So you want to try to flip that mentality. Remember, we want to be in the top 5%, right? Anything else is a losing scenario. So, but no, I don't think you missed much, but you know, if there was something that you needed to hear, then you're the one that loses, if that makes sense. So don't let somebody else like out compete you, is what I would say. You don't have to rewind. Who cares what I said? But there might be somebody that says, you know what? Wabi Sabi isn't going to rewind, but I'm going to rewind. And I'm going to show fate, destiny, God, or whoever that I want it more than him. So just always have a competitive mindset, you know? Take pride in, you know, wanting it more than somebody else. Take pride in willing to sacrifice more than somebody else for what you want. So all of those things will kind of start to ramp up and add up, and it'll pay off, I think. All right, any questions? We got a little thangity-thang-thang. Everything pixel perfect, V-Weezy. Let's see what the 30-minute candle looks like. I'm going to kick it here for another hour with you guys because I want to see this 30-minute candle. Obviously, is it going to be a dip the tip? Dip the tip? Which way is it going to go, right? Which, you know, where is the open? Where is the candle close? And then where does the second one open and close? And then we should be ready to go for tomorrow. Something with trading. Let's go. Amino Noob says you need to do the bull minimum. There you go. There you go. Yeah. Let's get it. Let's get it. How you doing, calling noob? Pulpy, what's going on? Any questions? Happy Sunday, Lions. Y'all juicing? Woo! Hey, get hype, man. You guys ready for this week? I've got a dentist appointment on Tuesday. Shit. Kacho Ishibaya. Let's juice, Lions! Let's quit playing with me. Let's go. Let's go, chat. Let's get that juice. Let's get that easy juice. Got 22 minutes left. Let's get nasty on them. What do you guys want to do? Let us up. Y'all want to let us fizzle nizzle up? Hasta la vista, you good? Calling noob, you good? Ladies and gentlemen, let's get it. CME juicing. CME juicing. Easy money. Everybody juicing? RPM, let's go. It's too easy. Quit playing. Something with trading says we let us up. All right, let me get caught up. Let me get caught up. All right, all right. Woo! I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. The funniest is when Houston goes, fly. Something with trading says we need a coughing song. I bet we could do something like the Clips. Like that? Yeah, 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 yeah. Man, quit playing with me. Shay says, I'm so for real on this. Running into a successful trading mid-30s pothead just as I'm trying to be a successful pothead mid-30s. Well, hey, the lettuce can't be forever though, Shays. At face value, Shays, you have to be dead ass honest. The lettuce is a net negative. So you really need to have an overcompensating protocol to make sure that it's a net positive at the end. You know, for most people, and maybe even for us, brother, the lettuce probably might be a small net negative, but you got to really make sure there's overcompensation going on. You know, like I don't drink any alcohol, you know, so it's really the only vice I have. Yeah, but like, there are moments where I'll be like, I can't lettuce. Like today, I didn't lettuce at all until now. So you got to be in control. You lettuce up. Lettuce doesn't shaze you. Cowboy Crypto. Let's go, Cowboy Crypto. Quit playing with him. What's going on, 1, 2, 3? What's going on, something with trading? What's going on, HFT Crypto Quant? Quick random question. Have you ever done or thought about doing a live trading session with meme coins? I think you'd crush it. I trade the memest meme coin of them all. S&P. Right? No, I don't. I won't crush it. I won't crush it because meme coins are garbage. I will probably do it. Sure. I will probably do it, but it's gambling, bro. It's glorified gambling. But I shall do it. I will do it. I just think there's so many other safer, easier ways to make money. And I think it's always a given that anything that has a chance to give you a lot of money really quickly is usually going to also come with not only the opposite, losing it just as quick, but the probability of losing it is disproportionately higher. So, yeah, one of the things that am so thankful for like really understanding is that if you really want to be rich, you stay away from shit that feels like a shortcut. So, yeah, because rich people use those shortcuts to bait lesser people. Does that make sense? You don't want to fall for that game. But yeah, I don't know. It's, I think it's just kind of gambling, HFT. Pino says, come on, don't forget that Opus. Well, no, I always drink. Yeah, I mean, Opus 1 has a special place in my heart for sure. I have 3 bottles of Opus right now. You want to go see it? I'm obsessed with Opus. Me and baby girl. It's like a very sentimental thing. But we can do it, HFT. I'm already going to start scalping like altcoins and shit coins. And so I'm already kind of there anyways. All right, y'all. How we doing? CME opens right at daily open. Let's get that cachoya. Let's get that cachoya. Quit playing. Quit playing. Mandelo says that was Harlem for us. Ooh, little Harlazy for Mandeezy and Mrs. Mandeezy. RPM. What does opus mean in Latin again? I thought it was like masterpiece. Like my opus. Work. Work. It means work. Fuck, maybe that's why I like it. Dilophosaurus says, I feel like crypto is a shortcut. To bankruptcy. Yeah, I think if you're having success in crypto, it's a shortcut. It's a shortcut to success and wealth. For most people, it's probably like a negative thing. For most people, it's probably like ruined them. Yeah, I mean, it is what it is, you know, like the fact is only a small percentage of people can be profitable. And I think the average person probably actually thinks that they're smarter than most people. And so it's like a quick wake-up call to be like, bro, you're not even close to the top 5-6%. And then what happens is people don't want to fight for it, or they just accept that as fact and they quit. So it's a brutal sort of shock, you know. But that's what happens when you're trying to compete hyper competitively. Like, imagine just a random dude like submitting a average resume to Goldman Sachs. You're gonna get rejected. Imagine me like going to the NBA tryouts. I'm gonna get fucking rejected. You know? So Soul is popping off. You know it. You know it. It's Juicy Maguchi. Quit playing with me. But remember, what we already did TA on this. Please tell me you're not surprised. Because I already told you what level we're headed to and why. How many people remember? What's TP1, playa? Yeah, make sure you get caught up on the Soul TA, Dilophosaurus. What's TP1? There you go. Look at that. Easy money. 155 and 170, I guess. Nope. Wrong. Don't guess. And that means that you haven't pulled some levels that you should have already prepared for. All right, Dilophosaurus. So I know you're brand new, but you know, definitely get caught up, okay? Just because you're a brand new Lion Cub doesn't mean that you can be messing around like that. All right, stay up to date. This shit's really easy. All right, big dog. Let's go! Exclamation giveaway! Exclamation too easy! Quit playing with me! Yeah, everything's been... We always talk about stuff days and weeks in advance, so... Make sure you get caught up, all right? Should be no surprises, man. We juicing like a motherfucker, man. The only way you can be not juicing is just not watching. You know? What I always try to tell people is stop doing your own stupid shit and just math it. Basic strategy for the win. But yeah, just keep watching, brother. And, you know, within a couple of weeks, you should be able to pick up on all this. I'm not really doing anything that difficult. All right. Let's go. Quit playing with me. Juice it up. Let's go. Y'all better be juicing. Y'all better be juicing. Lions. I'll show you. You just gotta want it. Let's go. Let's go, let's go! Easy money. Juice. Pixel perfect. Let's go. First 5-minute candle. Math, math, math. How? Too easy, Lions! Let's go! Let's go! I'll show you! Let's go! Juice! All you gotta do is just want it. Let's go, let's juice! Math! Let's go, talk to him! Talk to him! Talk to him! Come on! It's too easy, chat! Hey, can't lose! Ka-chat! Let's go, let's go! Juice! Easy money, chat! Let's go, ka-chay! Math, juice, levels, Bugatti! Let's go! Juice! Quit playing with me, chat! Quit playing with me, chat.
You just said.
Math, math. Quit playing with him, chat. Easy money. Are you ready? Juice it up. Juice it up. It's too easy. Quit playing with me. Exclamation YouTube, let's go. Let's go! Mosley, Deneth, Curvase, Grimes, Bergix, Token, Ludo, Exo, Medi, RPM, Who, Juicin! Can't lose! Let's go, Token, it's too easy! Quit playing with him! Juice! Juice! Let's go, hedge fund! Come on! Let's go, let's juice, let's go, let's juice. You know what it is. Useless lines. Let's go. Let's go. Too easy. Quit playing with me. Quit playing with me. Quit playing with me. Quit playing with me. Let's go. Turn it up. Let's go, Chauncey. TTV, let's go, 420. Juice it up, let's go, come on. Too easy. Let's go. Juice, 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 juice. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Juice it up, chat. Let's go, let's juice. Let's go. Joffrey! Hey, motherfucking Joffrey in the building. Vladimir, 19 Turbo. Let's go! Math is math. Let's go! Let's go! I see you, Itor. For crypto, let's go. Bobby, let's go. Math, juice, math, juice, math, juice. Let's go. Let's juice. Let's go. Let's juice. Pixel. Let's fucking go. Fred in the building. Juice! Let's go, let's go, let's go! Bugatti! Yes, yes! Let's go, let's juice, let's go, let's juice! Quit playing with me, quit playing with me! Let's go! Sub-mope, let's juice! Quit playing with him, sub-mope! Natoya! Math, 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 math. Let's go! Go, go. Math, math, math. Who juicing? Talk to me, Lions. Who juicing? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Are you ready? Juice, 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 juice. Come on. Let's go, Lions. Let's go. Let's juice, let's go. Math is math. Let's go. Avakami, let's go. Revs QQ, let's go. Sankey, let's go. Oh, everybody juicing, let's go! Crypto Jimmy, I see you! Let's go! Who juicing? We juicing, I see y'all juicing! Exclamation prepared! All you gotta do is pay attention. Let's go! Pixel! Juice! Let's go! Math, 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 math. Let's go! Juice, math, juice, pixel. Let's go, prepared, too easy! Let's go, Katrina! Go, 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 pixel perfect chat. Pixel perfect chat. Let's go, turn it up. Math is math! Go, 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 go. Useless lines! Quit playing with me. Math, 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 math. Math, 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 math. Quit playing with me. Let's go. Sunday Joes. Easy money, Bugatti money. As long as you watch the Friday and yesterday highlights, you know exactly what's going on and exactly what we doing. So far, so good. It's pixeling everything. Rhea Johnson, Matty Ice, Lenny Grimes, Exo Julio, Tasty Peter, Huskia, how we doing? We are on the second 30-minute candle close. I actually have to do a hard stop in about 26 minutes. Any questions? You guys okay? Y'all Gucci? Hit him with the math. Tasty, let's go. Hedge Fund says Gucci with a cat with all caps. I love it. Happy Sunday, Hedge Fund. You good? Let me know if you have any questions, but I feel like we've talked about everything. But let me know. Let me know. James Kirk, you good? Hedge Fund, Peter. Exo says, love starting week strong with you. Hey, me too, brother. Preparation, meeting opportunity. That's juice. So, yeah, looks pixel perfect. And we'll see what it is at Monday RTH. I'm excited. How many of you guys are going to be here hella early? I'll be here around 5 in the morning. Maybe even a little bit earlier if I can. So I got dinner with parents in a little bit. And then massage. And I'm probably going to go to sleep right after massage. I think I have my alarm set for like 3:30. So wake up early, get some work done, and then I'll be here with you guys around 5:30. JJ, what's going on? Dat says, can I kindly ask you? Sure. You know, I've shown my dot levels many times, including on Saturday as well. But here you go. The most important level for dot is what? Can you tell me? What's the most important level for dot? Do you remember what we talked about? And everything, do you remember this? Having this conversation, what is this? And remember, we talked, this is daily, okay? And as you can probably imagine, you already know we talked about this, right? You know goddamn well we talked about this, right? And you know what I'm going to say, right? I don't get bullish on what? I get bullish on what? And the question is do you want those single prints or not? But these are my levels. Here you go, brother. And I actually need to show it to you on this one. Alrighty. Let's go. Should be Bugatti money. Bugatti money. Can't lose. Easy juice. Easy juice. All right. Let's get that juicy juice. Quit playing with me. Quit playing with me. Let's go. Let's keep juicing. Let's keep juicing. You know what it is. Let's go. Quit playing with me. Let's go. Go.
Anything's possible.
Go.
You know, one thing my
Go.
trainer, he told me.
Go.
Said,
Do it.
What did he say?
Do it,
He
cabrón.
just told us to be prepared.
Do it, cabrón. Do it. Do it, cabrón. Do it, cabrón. Let's go. Quit playing with me. Quit playing with me. Juice. Juice. Let's go. Modern sources, I'm juicing. I know all y'all juicing. I know all y'all juicing. Pixel. Juice. Catch. Let's go. Catch ya. Juice. Pixel. Catch. Let's go. Fibonacci. What? Let's go. Let's go, Houston. Victory lettuce. Green lettuce, green positions, green Bugatti, green PNL, green lettuce. Da. Yeah. Fibonacci. Catch up. Let's go. Juice. Pixel perfect, chat. Pixel. Let's go. Juice it up. Get nasty. Go. Yeah. Catch. Stop the music. Field guy says, why are we always going on Sunday? That's the wrong question. If you notice that we're always going on Sunday, why aren't you prepared for a move like this on Sunday? Right? You could be the guy sitting there wondering, why does this always happen? Or you can acknowledge that it always happens and ride the wave. Let's go, get nasty. Why do you think we're doing Saturday and Sunday streams? Quit playing with me. Because we juicing. Because it's math and we're popping in. Let's go, turn it up. Let's go. Juice. Let's go, 19 turbo. Let's go. I'm glad I know Fibonacci. Let's go. Nasty. Let's go. Patience. Juice. 20 minutes on the hourly. Let's go. Math it up, Akira Satu. Go. Fibonacci. Let's go. Go. What? Go. KIMBA gang. Juice it up. Go. Juice. Pixel. Juice. Come on. Easy. Money. Let's go. Kachoya. Yo. Hey, quit playing with me, chat. Let's go. Yes. Yes. Go. 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 Juice that up, Lions. Cut. Jay. Yeah, let's go. Juice. Yup. Let's go. Hey, James Kirk. My Noah, my Noah. My Noah, my Noah. Pixel. Quit playing with me. Go, 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 go. Get his goofy ass. Get his goofy ass. Get his goofy ass. Get his goofy ass. All right, any questions, James? Let's go. Juicy fruit. Juicy fruit. Juicy fruit. Let's go. Let's get it. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Juice. Juice. Too easy. What? Kachaya. Good night, Sharky. Sally, what's going on? Stop the music. Sally is asking scalp shorts tomorrow. It'll depend on where the level is tomorrow. But Sally, do you remember what our level of interest to the upside is and what the level of interest to the downside is? Sally! Talk to me. Zine says they sweat before to prepare another sweep for Monday. That's possible, but what would be one thing that would tell you, okay, we're not doing that? Larson, you good? Math is math, you good? Tasty, Namgod, any questions, anything you guys want to talk about? I got to do a hard stop in about 10, 15 minutes. I got to go to dinner. But any questions, Sally? Lots of people in longs, lots of people in shorts. Everybody nailed it. People got pixel perfect bottom. People got pixel perfect top. Lurson says, you good, man? Better than good. Blessed. Blessed. Yeah, anything you want to talk about before Lurson? This is the second 30-minute candle for CME. So obviously that is a what gap? That's a bullish CME gap. The first 30-minute candle reacted bullishly. So basic concepts like what did the last 3, 4, 5 Sunday bullish gaps do? You know, how many of them actually came back and filled it? Where is settlement? In this case, doing a settlement retest, is that bullish or is that bearish? Do you see any divergences? So all of the stuff that we talked about on Friday that you would want to check off on CME Sunday resumption, like that's what everybody should be doing. And then same thing for Monday RTH open. So yeah, I'll be here hella early. I mean, I don't want to miss out on any pre-market moves. And so we'll start off with 15-second alpha TA. We'll see if the gap got closed or if it didn't. And that should kind of be the final sort of, okay, this is what we're going to expect type of thing. All right. Shay says, I was sidelined, but I'll prepare for tonight. Yeah, I mean, now your trigger point is the RTH gap. Is it going to open bullishly or bearishly? And how will the first 30-minute candle react to whatever gap it is? So if anything, just remember all the stuff that we talked about on Friday that we'll anticipate for like moments like right now and ultimately when RTH opens. So is the gap bullish or bearish? And depending on if it's a bullish or bearish gap, what will be the bullish or bearish way to react to it? And then just sit there and wait for the 30-minute candle closes, preferably the second or third one, to confirm that it is actually, you know, confirming that the bullish gap is going to have a bullish reaction or a bearish gap is going to have a bearish reaction. So if you know, and then sprinkle on, like I said, divergence or open interest data, maybe a little bit of S&P Blue Gamma. And yeah, if it lines up, it'll line up. So it'll basically come down to, you know, where are we in terms of the 105 single print, right? And then this is going to be this. All right, Lurson. But remember, we drew this line last week. So we knew that the bearish retest was coming. We knew earlier last week they're going to try to leave fucked up lows on Friday. And they did. And here is your point of control breaking out. And what was our level of interest to the upside? And what was our level of interest to the downside? So that's it. So we'll see what it is right here. And considering that we've been talking about this level for a while, I would hope everybody is caught up on how we would play this if there is going to be a short opportunity, how you would know not to short. And if you don't know, make sure you're here for the stream because we'll do it live on every 5-minute candle. We'll narrate it. And so you know how to play it exactly by the book. You guys Gucci? Quit playing with me. Let's go. The Caveman says, how did I know Kimba would be on when I saw this movement? Yeah, but remember, Caveman, not only did I talk about the Sunday stream on Friday and last week when we did the Sunday stream last week and the Sunday stream before that, but we also talked about it yesterday. Tell me you didn't miss yesterday's stream because that's Mega Alpha Juice. You probably don't know what the fuck we're doing right now. Yeah, so remember, even things like when I'm coming on, we've already scheduled it. All right, Caveman? And you can always go to the YouTube and see what time it's scheduled for. Did you know that it says what time the stream is going to start on YouTube? So remember, one, I'm announcing it. Two, you can check it for yourself. Just like trading, just like data. Let's go! All right, any questions? You guys locked in? Get nasty on them. Larson says, I'm in a small short from 108,450, but this is not looking great. What does not looking great mean? Is it just your emotional interpretation of I'm not in profit as early as I want to be? Instead of saying something so generic, Larson, because let's say, for example, you say, this isn't looking great, I'm going to close it. And you're wrong. How do you fix that? Instead, if you say this hidden CVD bull div is there, the bear div got violated, we're spending 2 30-minute candles above golden pocket. The open interest is not favorable for me, but you should always be able to articulate the data. Okay? Because if you're gonna say this isn't looking good and that's why I'm gonna close it or stop it out and profit, if you're wrong, how are you supposed to figure out, or how are you supposed to know what you're supposed to improve on? All right? So be honest and be self-aware. All right? And if you decide to say, hey, this because of this, this, and this, and you close it and you're wrong, then you know that you want to polish up on that data. All right, just reacting to the value area and out. I still don't know what that means. So I would assume you're talking about this. So you're going to take it from this candle to this. Is this what you're talking about? Like for the failed auction setup, right? And you've pulled your fib. It's literally pixel perfect. So if you want to go ahead and make a conclusionary call, you're more than welcome to. All right.
I'm juicing.
But use this as an opportunity to figure out, do you really know what the fuck you're doing? You know, you can lie to me and lie to chat, but you're going to have to be honest yourself. So just be careful, okay? So I don't know what it means when people say like it doesn't look good, but try to articulate the actual data. All right? And then that way it'll make it a lot easier for you to improve because you know what you need to do better. I hope that made sense. All right. Well, I got to dip out. I'm going to be heading out to dinner. Any last minute questions? Voltex, Kimba, would you say BTC is correlated to gold? Not really. But make sure you have your own opinions and why, right? Voltex, do you trade gold yourself? Do you have any experience with other people that trade gold? I would say that gold is a safe investment, and I would say Bitcoin or crypto is a really shitty investment, really risky. So just by definition, I don't know how something that is safe and something that is risky would be correlated, like inversely correlated. Sakai says, I have only one question. Is there a place to listen to your songs outside of the stream? No, not yet. Worst scene. Love you, brother. I'll be here hella early. So basically, CME, gap, Fibonacci, range value area high, and VWAP. Rahman PUBG, you good? Any questions? Zine says S&P, I'm a short the hell. Sure, you watched Trump's interview today, right? As long as you watched Trump's interview and you know what he's planning on doing for the next couple of weeks and what bills he has coming out, right? So I'm always going to give people of the benefit of the doubt, but be prepared, right? So best of luck, big dog. Sakai says, I want to click on repeat on that Fibonacci song so bad. We'll blast it tomorrow, my guy, especially right now since it's Fibonacci. Alrighty. TTV Strict says, if you had to choose one strongest scalping indicator, which one would you choose? Probably. VWAP. Anchored VWAP. Yeah. Lurison says, for now, I'm seeing fibs being pixel fucked. Yes. Math is my Kimba. I'm going to head out. Have a blessed weekend. You too, math is math. I'll be here hella early tomorrow. Right now, we're just watching the first two 30-minute candle closes of CME Open, right? So yeah, but it's not that significant. The real juice is going to be RTH Open. So is there a failed auction? Is there not? If it really is a swing fail, it wouldn't lose the blank. Is it a bad high? Are they going to leave it for RTH? Like basic concepts that you would go through right now. Obviously, this is still your second 30-minute candle close, so you could have a debate. You've got a bullish retest possibility as settlement. And yeah, we still know that they left the lows bad like that on Monday. Zine says, I didn't, but I'm doing it for the sake of experience. Gotcha. We can recap it tomorrow, Zine. I'm sure I'll talk about it. But make sure you get caught up, though. There were like little hints that he dropped about some crazy shit that he might try to pull. Have you been able to follow along on like his tax bill and what he's promised in his but like what he was promising during his campaign trail and what he's actually doing now? Cause this motherfucker crazy. He's literally, he's kind of like one of us. Like if a normal non-politics person got elected to become president, this is what would happen. Like no chill, like doesn't give a fuck, like, you know, just boom, 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 boom. Zine says, I only know he want to fire Powell because of rates. Well, he's going to announce who he would replace Powell with. That's going to be a fucking crazy day, my guy. In 2 weeks, he's going to announce who he's going to nominate. Now, is he just bullshitting? I don't know, but I think that's something important, right? He dropped a lot of little goofy nuggets like that, dude. So I want you to kind of listen to watch it. I'm sure there's like a Fox News highlight, dude. It was an interview on Fox News. So I'm sure they have like a 15-minute highlight. So, all right. All right, I got to get out of here. Ladies and gentlemen, there's your 30-minute candle close. Yeah. The only place, like we've talked about, ladies and gentlemen, the only place that I would think about shorting next is that level. And the only place that I would think about longing is either that clean, the full RTH gap, or the SFP. So nothing has really changed, ladies and gentlemen. I've been stressing it for a very, very long time. This is retail arena. Do not lose any money trying to trade this. If you want a short, you got to be patient. If you want a long, you got to be patient. All right. Or you could try to take one of those bad lows and you had an opportunity definitely to take it on Friday if you wanted to. So juice. All right. But we'll do it again. We had that figured out. We had the bearish retest figured out. We knew that they could possibly leave it fucked up on Friday or Thursday. They did that. Yep, and the levels have not changed for about 10 days now, right? 13 days. So don't get caught up in the bing bong ding dong. Be patient, juice the fuck up. Wait. All right, Sakai, Sanki, Sub Mope, Hannah Montana, Pino, Ninja, Mandalo. Let's go, Mandalo. All right, you guys, I love you. Shout out Danny Bala for the 10 gifted. I'll be here really early. So European Lions, I'll see you guys hella early. Let's get that 15-second alpha started. All right. And remember, it's not so much about the sub-range point of control as it is the CME single print at 109.5, whatever. All right. So make sure you have a reason to short if you're going to. CVD bearish divergence, top longers, shorts getting squeezed, all that good stuff. All right. And remember, higher time frame, I think it's smarter to just be looking for short or longs. And if you want to short, maybe it's because you want to hedge or you don't want to TP your long. But yeah, we're just continuing this path all the way to all-time high. You know it. I know it. All righty, big dogs. All right, you guys. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Have a great rest of your Sunday. Ladies and gentlemen, can I get a kachaya? Natoya Korun, Submo, Professional Telemaya, Julio, Danny, Bergese, Zane, Ninja. All right, let's get after it. Don't lose any money like right now doing some stupid shit, please. Okay? Because RTH is going to give us pretty good high probability trades. We'll be ready to scalp long, scalp short. Feel me? I would just, looking at this, I would assume that you're either going to see me back on stream with the 109.5 single print short, or if I'm not in anything, we're probably going to be looking for a pullback long. Either way, we'll take a trade together. All right. Nothing. I mean, the only trade that you had really was the CME dip the tip and rip. Bullish gap, opened, tipped, go. So that wasn't like that fun or conclusive. So nothing that we could take live, but the RTH one may be something that we can take. So I'll see you guys bright and early. Have a great rest of your Sunday. 90 Tiber Rahman PUBG Natoya Skemenzo. Hey. Can I get a kachaya? Let us up, let us up. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace, everybody. Juice, 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 juice.